Okay, let's start from the sharpener first. Oh yeah. How do I open this? So this is the sharpener that I've bought. It, as you can see, it has 1, 2, 3. You sharpen your knife in order. So you start from 1, then you move on to 2, and then you finish it off with 3. So I've always wanted a proper sharpening kit, and unfortunately I'm not so good as to sharpen it, use a real sharpener, like the one of those stones. So I just bought these, which would be, I think would be convenient and good enough for me. So you just push this way, and it opens up like that, and you sharpen it. Very simple and nice, handy, and I am super excited to use this. Okay, now let's move on to the knife. Here's the knife. This is also from the same maker, Kai Kitchen Knife, and the brand is called Seki-Mago-roku. You can read it here. Seki-Mago-roku. Okay, let's open it up. Here we go. Let's be careful with this. Oh yeah, look at this. It's beautiful. Feels really good on the hands. It's not too heavy. It's pretty light, but it's not like too light. Oh, this is gonna be good. Okay, so I came over to the kitchen, and today I am going to make penne arrabbiata. So I'm going to use the new knife to cut up the onions and see how it is. Okay, that felt extremely smooth. I am very satisfied with the new knife. Now let's cut up the bacon and garlic. Alright, now I am boiling the water to cook the penne, and while I am doing that, I am going to prepare the pasta sauce, the pasta sauce with tomatoes. I just cooked onions and bacon right here with some ginger. Wait, no, not ginger, garlic. And this guy will go in here, and the penne, when it's cooked, will go in there. Oh, and also I have prepared the chili flakes as well, here, right here. So those will go in there too. Alright, continue the cooking. Okay, so the penne that I am using this time is this. I got it for a little bit of a lower price at the Tops Market. I ordered it on the online app again. Al dente 8 minutes. So I'll go with the 8 minutes. That is a lot of penne. Maybe I should have added a little bit more salt in the water that I boiled penne in. Just going to add a little bit of salt. That looks good. Alright. Top on a little bit of pepper. Needless to say, it would be best if I have ground pepper and also, what do you call that? Wait, I can't remember. Parsley, Italian parsley, but unfortunately I do not have them, so I'll just go with pepper. Looks good though. Let's give it a try. Alright, penne arrabbiata, here we go. I am running low on battery. Okay, I gotta go eat. First bite. It is perfectly al dente. It is spicy. I put in 2 pieces of chili, dried chili, all cut, and I removed the seeds just to let you know.